मेरे फैक्ट्री में। तो त्रिपुरा का पाइनएप्पल इसमें स्वीटेस्ट पाइनएप्पल निकला। तो इसलिए एक बेकरी इंडस्ट्री है, होटल इंडस्ट्री है, इसको भी ये बहुत अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी है। साथ में क्वीन पाइनएप्पल जो है वो थोड़ा ज्यादा उसमें रसीलापन है, इसलिए इसमें अदर देन कैन प्रोडक्ट्स जैसे कि पल्प हो सकता है या फिर कॉन्सेंट्रेट हो सकता है या फिर डिहाइड्रेटेड प्रोडक्ट हो सकते हैं, क्योंकि टेस्ट भी अच्छा है क्वीन पाइनएप्पल का। तो ये मिशन लॉन्च होने के बाद ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगा। और हमें इधर त्रिपुरा में विशेष करके बोलूं तो मुख्यमंत्री से लेके पूरे एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट तक हमें इजी एक्सेस है। जो भी हमारे प्रॉब्लम्स है इनको हम इजीली बोल सकते हैं या फिर उसके सॉल्यूशंस भी हमें मिलते हैं। साथ में जो गवर्नमेंट की मतलब हमारे एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट या हॉर्टिकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट है उनसे भी सहयोग हमें मिलता है। बस एक दो बातें मैं रखना चाहूंगा कि NABL एक्रीडेटेड फूड टेस्टिंग लैब अगर त्रिपुरा में हो, क्योंकि हमें हर 6 महीने बाद हमारा सैंपल टेस्ट करके लेना पड़ता है, ये गवर्नमेंट मैंडेटरी है। तो इधर फूड लैब है त्रिपुरा में, लेकिन उसमें NABL एक्रीडेशन अगर मिल जाए तो हमें एक अच्छा होगा। तो अभी हमें दिल्ली या कोलकाता भेजना पड़ता है टेस्टिंग के लिए। साथ में बारिश के समय कुछ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन की इश्यू है, पर अभी जितना गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से जानकारी मिल रही है कि ऑल वेदर रोड अभी बन रहा है नया, 2 साल में बन के तैयार हो जाएगा। सिलचर से लेके पूरे असम पार होके चला जाएगा रेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया में, तो वो भी एक हमारे लिए अच्छा है। साथ में मॉनिटरिंग, जैसे कि बहुत सारे पाइनएप्पल ग्रोअर्स हैं अलग अलग जगह में त्रिपुरा में, और इसका मतलब आज के दिन में बहुत सारी AI रिलेटेड और डिस्टेंट अलग अलग फैसिलिटीज अवेलेबल है, जिसके थ्रू हम मॉनिटरिंग कर सकते हैं एक डैशबोर्ड बना के, जिसके थ्रू वो डैशबोर्ड और हम एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को भी अगर मिल जाए एक्सेस, तो कहाँ पाइनएप्पल है, कौन से क्वालिटी का है, हम इजीली पॉइंट आउट करके पहले से उधर उनके साथ एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं, उनका पाइनएप्पल परचेस कर सकते हैं और उसको हम प्रोसेस में ला सकते हैं। और AI रिलेटेड जो एक मैंने प्रोजेक्ट मुझे ऑनरेबल डायरेक्टर साहब ने दिखाया था या डिस्कस किया था हमारे साथ प्रोजेक्ट बनने से पहले, उन्होंने इसमें एक पार्ट रखा हुआ है जो AI मॉनिटरिंग और क्रॉप मॉनिटरिंग जो भी एक सिस्टम है, तो वो अगर अच्छे से उसका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन हो जाए तो अच्छा होगा। और दूसरा बात की कुछ क्वालिटी इम्प्रूवमेंट में हमें त्रिपुरा में क्वालिटी इम्प्रूवमेंट का जरूरत है, क्योंकि कर्नाटक में मैंने पाइनएप्पल देखा यूनिफॉर्म साइज है और एक उसका मतलब वजन भी थोड़ा ज्यादा है त्रिपुरा से। तो जब मैंने इधर एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट के पास बातचीत किया, साथ में एग्रीकल्चर कॉलेज में रिसर्चर्स है, प्रोफेसर है, उनके साथ जब मैंने इंटरेक्शन किया तो एक दो तीन पॉइंट्स या मतलब उन्होंने पॉइंट आउट किए, उसके तरफ अगर हम ध्यान दें इस मिशन के थ्रू तो मुझे लगता है अच्छा होगा। वो पॉइंट्स ऐसे है कि यहाँ पाइनएप्पल के बागान जितने भी हैं वो सालों साल चलते आ रहे हैं, जैसे कि कुछ बागान 30 साल से है, 40 साल से, 50 साल से है। तो सबसे ये 30-40 साल के बागान होने की वजह से फ्रूट का साइज धीरे धीरे छोटा 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 होता जा रहा है और स्वीटनेस बढ़ता जा रहा है। जैसे मैं फ्रेश पाइनएप्पल बाहर भेजना चाहता हूँ, मेरे पास कुछ इंक्वायरीज है, पर फ्रेश पाइनएप्पल भेजते समय वो जल्दी खराब हो जाता है, उसका शेल्फ लाइफ कम हो जाता है। क्यों? क्योंकि स्वीटनेस ज्यादा है। बागान हर पीरियोडिक अगर 4 साल बाद 4 साल बाद पूरा काट के नए तरीके से अगर उसको लगाया जाए, ऐसा मुझे इंटरेक्शन में पता चला, तो वो एक अच्छा रहेगा, उससे साइज मेंटेन रहेगा, प्राइसिंग उनको अच्छा मिलेगा। तो ये मेरा तरफ से पॉइंट्स है। तो बाकी आप सबको धन्यवाद हमें बुलाने के लिए।
कमी की वजह से हम और किसान भाइयों से इंटरेक्शन ले नहीं पाए हैं संवाददाताओं से। इसी के साथ मैं माननीय एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्टर त्रिपुरा श्री रतनलाल नाथ जी से
सभी को नमस्कार। Climate Minister Fadona, India से जी, Honorable Positive Chief Minister Tripura, Professor Dr. Manish Raji, Secretary and Donor, other officials of the Government of India and State of Tripura, virtual mode में जुड़े हुए processors, entrepreneurs and farmers, media persons, welcome everybody. Greetings to all. Sir, you know about Tripura. Tripura is a land of hills and dales. About 70% of the area of the state is covered by hills and hillocks, which are called tila, and the remaining 30% are plain lands. The state's unique agroclimatic condition make it one of the India's leading pineapple producing regions, primarily cultivating the Queen and Q varieties, mostly by the tribal growers of the state. State fruit of the Tripura Queen pineapple is holding a GI tag, which is most aromatic, golden, yellow and low fiber cultivar, distinguishes it from all competing varieties. Despite this premium genetic endowment, smallholder growers in Tripura continue to receive farm gate prices rupees 6 to 10 per kg, a fraction of the rupees 80 to 150 per kg that are processed or of export grade. Thus, Queen pineapple can command in domestic and international market. Pineapple grown in Tripura is widely acclaimed as the best in the country. Queen pineapple is a spiny golden yellow variety known for its sweet taste, pleasant aroma and juicy flesh with vitamin A, B, C, especially vitamin C, minerals such as calcium, magnesium, potassium, and iron with TSS sweetness ranging from 13 to 17.2 degrees. ये वर्ल्ड में किसी जगह में up to 79, 70 से ज़्यादा नहीं है, लेकिन हमारा 13 to 17.2 degrees and acidity of 0.6 to 0.8%, giving a balanced sweet tart flavor. The journey of export of Tripura's Queen variety when हमारा BJP led government state में आया was started on 3rd June 2018 in the market of Dubai, followed by Qatar, Oman and Bangladesh, and canned pineapple that was exported to Germany and Russia. DPR entitled Pineapple Contribution to the Value Chain Development 3-year implementation roadmap, that is financial year 2026 to financial 2018, systematically address every structural gap that prevents the Queen pineapple from realizing its premium potential. DPR worth of approximately rupees 236 CR program has been divided into 3 major components like 1 cultivation management, 2 is post-harvest management and processing, and 3rd is branding and marketing. A multi-ministerial coordination model has been proposed. The unique selling proposition that Tripura Queen pineapple possesses significantly and commercially differentiated USP, aromatic intensity, low fiber texture, GI protection, expect with allowable to realize its premium potential. The next month, 27 June 2026, International Pineapple Day will be observed in Delhi by the government of Tripura, which will serve as the public launch pad for the entire program. So the leaves, it is important, sir. The leaves our pineapple farmers discard as waste today are worth rupees 1,483 CRs. This scheme turns that wasted wealth from the same land, the same crop, the same farm. With Indian mission support from abroad and convergence of all stakeholder groups, this flagship event will generate national international media coverage for Tripura Queen pineapple as a GI product potential premium product. Second is will create market momentum once harbor space infrastructure is commissioned. Third, drive stability. At last, but not the least, this will definitely signal program commitment to all stakeholders, farmers, buyers, investors, and government. Thank you.
Honorable Minister, sir, Sri Ratan Lal Ji, may I now request our respected Honorable Chief Minister, Professor Manish Shah, to kindly share his thoughts.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon to all present here, to the others present. On the occasion of the formal launching of the 3-year project for Mission Queen Pineapple of Tripura in Barcelona, I would like to convey my heartiest regard and gratitude to Honorable Union Minister of Tripura, Sri Jyotiraj Ji, Honorable Agriculture Minister Tripura, Sri Ratanlal Mahasaya, Secretary Donor, Secretary Agriculture Tripura, distinguished guests, officials from my side and officials from Donor Ministry, and virtually farmers, other allied people, and all stakeholders, and my dear media friends. First of all, I sincerely thank Honorable Union Minister Donor Sri Jyotiraj Ji for giving me the opportunity to address in this inaugural program of a 3-year project for promotion, establishment of value chain development of pineapple worth rupees 236 crore. Since the Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi Ji has assumed office, Tripura is endowed with enormous success in agri and allied sectors, mostly because of the active policy of the central government. Tripura's agrarian economy is endowed with natural resources, rich fertile soil, water resources, dense forest, high rainfall ranges between 2000 mm to 2200 mm. Mega diversity and flora and fauna. Those offer a variety of fruits, high value spices, medicinal plants, aromatic plants, scented rice, etc. Our state government has declared pineapples as the state fruit on 7th June 2018 by the former President of India, Sri Ramnath Kovind. Tripura's Queen and Q varieties flourish in our unique hilly terrain with no use of chemicals, with organic, completely organic. The fruit is relatively smaller than the Q variety, and it contains exceptional sweetness, already mentioned by previous speaker. Exceptional sweetness and juiciness. It is easily identified by its spiny and thorny leaves and deep golden color, and when ripe, with smaller eyes. Grown primarily on organic hillock-based plantations, benefiting from abundant rainfall and tropical climate. The Queen variety, in particular, has a golden yellow hue and a distinct and pleasant aroma. This has already attained a geographical indication tag in 2015. Our state is emerging as a significant player in Northeast's agro marketing and export landscape, leveraging its fertile land, strategic location, and government-backed initiative to boost agricultural productivity and international trade by producing export-oriented agricultural commodities like pineapple, jackfruit, banana, scented lemon, organic produces like scented rice, bird's-eye chili, ginger, turmeric, orange, lychee, cashew nut, coconut, and other bamboo products. There is a local saying that the pineapple never betrays, which means that if any other crop fails because of the unfavorable circumstances, the pineapple stands tall, providing substantial income each year. State government is working to establish facilities for value addition and strong market linkages for its producers, ensuring that they reach consumers both within and outside of the state to fetch a higher price and enhance farmers' income. Since 2018 to 19, state has already exported 33.10 metric ton Queen and Q varieties of pineapples to countries like UAE, Qatar, etc. Besides this, 140 metric ton canned pineapples, already mentioned by one of my colleagues, has been exported to the Germany, and another 38.96 metric ton to Russia. Moreover, 15,440 metric ton pineapples has been marketed in other states of our country. It is also creating new job opportunities, especially in processing and packaging, marketing segments, thus contributing to the overall economic development of rural areas of the state. Technical, institutional, and government interventions in horticulture value chain could substantially increase the scale of processing, maximize returns of the producers, and minimize post-harvest losses. To attract private investment in food, fruit processing sector, the state government has declared food processing industries as thrust sector with provision of additional subsidies under Tripura Industrial Investment Promotion Incentive Scheme, that is TPIS. By investing in pineapple farming, investors can tap into a market that value a healthy, naturally grown produce for boosting their farm profitability. This project has a multi-strong strategy adopted by Donor Ministry that includes production, post-harvest management, strategic branding, digital technology integration, improved production cycles, and expanded export avenues. Although Tripura ranks third in terms of production of pineapples after Assam and West Bengal, average productivity of our pineapple is only 14.6 metric ton per hectare, whereas the national average is 17 metric ton per hectare. That means we have to increase up to that level at least. I am confident that with the technical support and guidance from the Donor Ministry, this 3-year project will surely enable us to minimize this yield gap and also promote Tripura pineapple as a global brand. I strongly believe this project will continue to increase farmers' income and boost state's economy to a great extent. Last but not the least, I thank our Honorable Minister of Donor, Sri Jyotirajitya Scindia ji, for his always all-round sincere support for the development of Northeastern region as well as particularly for Tripura too. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, with your golden words that pineapple never decay.